Here I have Oppo A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to reset network settings on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the additional settings, backup and reset phone, and select the first option, reset network settings, reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings, and then confirm it. And after that all of the network settings will be reset to its defaults. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.